7. Surah Al-A'raf, the elevated places. This is the 7th surah of the Quran, and according to some authorities, it is the 39th surah according to the order of revelation. This surah was revealed in Makkah about a year or two before the Hijrah. It consists of 206 verses in 24 sections. The basic theme of this surah is Risala, that is Allah's message as it was sent through many messengers. Several prophets and parts of their stories are mentioned to emphasize prophets' mission and their struggle with their people. The surah tells us that the Allah's prophets suffered for the cause of truth. Their enemies tried to harm them, but then Allah helped His prophets and defeated their enemies. The surah emphasizes that the truth message must be presented under all circumstances. After the prophets, it is the duty of the believers to convey the message of Allah to all people. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The Quran is revealed to remind the believers and to warn humankind about the consequences of their actions. The judgment will indeed take place. Number 2. The story of man's creation and Satan's opposition to man. Number 3. Warning to the children of Adam to be aware of Satan's plots. Number 4. Allah's messengers came to guide people. Number 5. The end of those who denied the message and those who accepted the message. Number 6. Cries of the wicked in the hellfire. Number 7. The righteous will prosper. Number 8. Some lessons from the story of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him. Number 9. Some lessons from the story of Prophet Hud, peace be upon him. Number 10. Some lessons from the story of Prophet Saleh and Lut, peace be upon them. Number 11. Some lessons from the story of Prophet Shuaib, peace be upon him. Number 12. Warning against those who deny the prophets and message of Allah. Number 13. Prophet Moses, peace be upon him, and his encounter with Pharaoh of Egypt. Number 14. Pharaoh and his magicians were defeated. Number 15. Pharaoh continued in his persecution of the Israelites. Number 16. Some more signs were shown to the Pharaoh and his people. Number 17. The Torah was given to Prophet Moses, peace be upon him. Number 18. Some Israelites started calf worship. Number 19. The Torah and Injil speak about the coming of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Allah's prophet for those who will follow the last prophet. Number 20. Prophet Muhammad is the universal prophet. Some among the people of Prophet Moses were guided by the truth and lived with injustice. Number 21. Some Israelites transgressed Allah's laws and they suffered the consequences. Number 22. The eternal covenant of Allah was taken from all human beings. Number 23. The coming of the last hour. Number 24. Shirk has no logic. Ignore the wrongdoers, but invite to Allah with kindness. Listen to the Quran and always remember Allah.